All right, let's summarize all the reaction mechanism patterns. So there are 4 types. We have nucleophilic attack, loss of leaving group, proton transfer, and a rearrangement. And again, you don't have to memorize this, and please don't, all right? All you have to do is to be able to recognize them when you see them, all right? And when you draw a mechanism, on the quiz, I'm going to ask you to draw it. When you draw, most of the time, it requires multiple arrows, right? So the nucleophile attack, and then we have a loss of leaving group, and the same step. If you don't have loss of leaving group right here, this carbon is going to be over octet right there, all right? And please do not do this. Please don't, not atom moving, no. We use a curved arrow to show electron movement, not an atom. Okay? All right, let's see what we got here. This one, classify. This one easy. All right, classify each step below as nucleophilic attack, loss of leaving group, proton transfer, or rearrangement. The first one, nucleophilic attack on proton, totally this proton transfer. All right. Second step, chlorine leaves the molecule. So this is loss of leaving group. Nucleophilic attack, this is not proton, this is carbon, so we call it nucleophilic attack. And hydride shift right here, right? I forgot, so if it's a rearrangement, specify if it's a hydride shift or methyl shift. Okay, so this is hydride shift, rearrangement. And we got one more. Down here we got loss of leaving group, bromine leave the molecule. And carbocation, so hydride shift. All right. Nucleophilic attack. And that's it. There we go. Nothing that difficult, huh? All right. Okay. Chapter 6, class activity number 1. Okay. Draw resonance structure of this. Identify nucleophile, electrophile. Okay, and do arrow pushing right there. All right. Okay, and right here. Okay. Now we're gonna take a pause and talk about our sponsor for this podcast. Take a look right here. Gentlemen, if you are tired of underperforming, use Durex Extended Pleasure Condoms. This is a special condom because it got 5% benzocaine in the lubricant. Now, you might ask, hey Pete, what does benzocaine do? Why do we need it? Glad you asked. Let me explain it real quick. All right. So, benzocaine, that's a structure of benzocaine. Okay, look something like this. We have an ester, we have an arene, we have an amino group on amine. Okay, what does benzocaine do? So benzocaine falls into anesthetic drugs category. So it acts as a nerve blocking agent. And here's how it works. Look at the central nervous system here. Okay, so the central nervous system consists of a lot of nerve cells, right? So let's say if I hit you with a hammer on your toe of your foot, the nerve cell will send a signal from your toes all the way up to your brain, and you feel, oh, that hurts. All right. But now, if you apply these guys to anywhere that hurts, we have lidocaine, cocaine, benzocaine, procaine, whatever. Let's say apply on the right here on your foot. Right. What does it do? It will go by to a sodium ion channel. Have you heard about sodium potassium pump? Maybe you have heard about it. That's how sodium ion and potassium ion go in and out the cell, the nerve cell. That's how nerve cell communicate, right? And now, when you apply this medicine onto wherever it hurts on your body, this is a molecule of benzocaine go by to the sodium ion channel. That's where sodium ion travel. So block sodium ion from traveling, which means that this nerve cell cannot communicate. So if this happens, if I hit you with a hammer, the cell cannot send a signal. It's stuck right there. And basically you feel numb, right? All this agent make you feel numb, all right? So benzocaine is used in quite a lot of surgical procedure. You will see benzocaine in what is it called? Sore throat medication that like candy. I know what it's called. Anyway, so it helps you relieve pain on your throat, right? And something called eye medication, some surgery in dentistry. Okay. All right. What does it do when you put benzocaine on your PP? Well, it makes your PPs feel numb, and that's a secret of long-lasting performance. All right. So, gentlemen, so benzocaine is a secret of long-lasting performance. If you listen to this podcast, you will get 25% off and a free shipping on your first order. Ha! Just go to their website, enter the code Tuski 2021. All right, boy, let's show off your best performance. And even though you don't perform yourself, you can buy as a gift for your friends. All right, let's go on to the next video.